Okay, so today our next chapter of zoology is the chapter number 3, that is enzyme. So here we will be going to the brief introduction of the enzyme. So first of all, let's talk about that. What is enzyme? Okay, what is enzyme? Enzyme is a biocatalyst. What is biocatalyst? Biocatalyst is a catalyst are those chemicals which accelerate, or you can say that to speed the chemical reaction. Means they are having, means there is a function. Okay, an enzyme is helping them to speed up the reaction. Okay, that is called the enzyme. Okay, so there are many enzyme in our body. You can say that like pepsinogen, amylase. There are many enzymes. So the enzyme is for what? For speeding up the reaction of our body. That is the enzyme. But one thing of the enzyme is that during the reaction they remain unchanged. They do not change. Okay. But who changed means they in the reaction the enzyme got changed, that are the activator. And what is activated? That is salts like magnesium, zinc, and many other. For example, cold drink. We are having a cold drink and we are adding salt into them. So you can see that it is the salt will get dissolved in cold drink. Means they have changed their, means the dissolving power. The enzyme are not, you can say that these enzyme are not, and they are not dissolving in the process. They are just helping them and speeding up the reaction. They are not changing themselves. But activator is a, you can say that that change their uh, they change, if they change their, you can say that they remain changed during the reaction and after the reaction, that are the activator. But before 19th century the enzyme were protein. But after 18th century there were the three scientists, okay, who said that the enzyme are proteinaceous as well as non-proteinaceous. Okay, what are non-proteinaceous enzyme? That is the ribozyme. Now, what is ribozyme? This is a non-proteinaceous enzyme. Okay, this is consist of RNA. Okay, which found in DNA. No, this consists of RNA which found in the ribosome. Okay, and they work as coenzyme. What does it mean? It means that they help the enzyme. Okay, so what is ribosome? The ribonucleic acid that work as that enzyme, that work as enzyme, that is called ribozyme. Okay, so here we are having the two energies. Number one is the energy of activation, and you can say that activation energy. What does it mean? It means that the required energy for activating the chemical reaction, that is called activation of energy or activation energy. Okay. In the presence of enzyme, this is the main point. In the presence of enzyme, this energy will become less, or you can say the activation energy will become less. Why? because we are having enzyme that is working, so there is no need of the activation energy, so the enzyme is working. Okay, so in the presence of enzyme the activation energy will become less, but in the absence of enzyme the activation will become too much, because the enzyme is not there and they require the energy. Okay, the activation and they means that the energy for activate the chemical reaction. But if we are having enzyme, they are for chemical reaction, so we are having no need of the chemical, or you can say that energy of activation. In the absence of the enzyme we are having the need of the energy of activation to accelerate the chemical reaction. Next we are having the activation, or next we are having the activation of energy. Here we were having energy of activation or activation energy. Here we are having activation of energy, which means that the production of energy, the energy produced, or that energy which gives us, okay, that gave us energy, that is the production of energy. Who have enzyme, that will be getting less energy because enzyme is there, but if enzyme is not there the energy will become more. Okay, so here you can see that we are having a small introduction about the enzyme, that what are enzyme in actually. Okay,